Hello, I'm Meaghan Martinez with Point Realty. I am so excited to show you my new listing here at 1105 West Elizabeth Boulevard in Granbury, Texas. Come check it out. You're greeted by the beautiful open floor plan from the living room to the dining area to the kitchen. Everyone is looking for the beautiful white kitchen, and here you have that. I love the storage above the cabinets to make your own. Very nice stainless steel appliances here that will be included in the cell. Very country chic look with the beautiful wooden beam. I love this long hallway that leads you to the very spacious bedrooms. Your master suite is private away from the other two. You have the beautiful wooden flooring. In the backyard, you have tons of space. You have a perfect area to sit around a fire with your friends, and there's this giant storage space that you can use as well. You have the nice privacy fence. In the front yard, you have a lot of space as well. You also have a beautiful carport with a barn door with extra storage. You have a nice front porch with a beautiful planter. You can plant your little garden if you'd like. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is 1105 West Elizabeth Boulevard here in Granbury, Texas. Just a few minutes away from the square. You have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 1,100 square feet, all for $225 list price. So come check it out. We have 3 open houses this weekend, Friday evening 4 to 6 and Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. Hope to see you soon.